Hello, this is a tutorial on a 1.8A2 Pizzazz. We're going to skip the first two problems. They're the two hardest problems on the page, so let's do them last. Let's just get started with these other problems first. Start with number 3 here. We just need to distribute out and figure out what goes in here. So here's how they got 9A. So if we take 9 times B, it's just going to be 9B. We just fill that in. This one here, there's 3N and 21. So they're missing the 3N, so I'll put the 3N. It's 3N plus 21. This one here, 2 times 15, well, that would be 30. 2 times Q is 2Q. All right? You can do this. This one, same thing. Here's the AB. What's A times 8? Well, I know you'd like to write it as A8, but we generally write that as 8A. We put the number first. All right? All right, so then for solving this puzzle, let's just go back and take a look at a couple of these. For the first one, we had 9B. So 3, we'll go down here and find 9B. And 9B is E. I guess I got to zoom out so you can see how we're going to solve this puzzle. Got to zoom even farther out. I can't get any zoomed farther out, I guess. I have to go up. All right, now you can see the whole page. All right, so I go down and I find 9B, and so for number 3, I'm going to put in an E. Okay? The next one, 3N. Is there a 3N? Yes, so I've got my answer right. So for number 4, I'm going to put an O. So find my number 4, put an O. Let's see. For number 5, I had 30. So find 30, there it is. So for number 5, I'm going to put an N. In number 6, I've got 8A. 8A. So there's an E there. So for number 6, I'm going to put an E. And it just goes on just like that down throughout the page. All right, so I'm not going to spend any more time on the puzzle. I would like to spend a little more time on some of these. Let's jump over and where things are starting to get a little bit hairy. And the first one that gets a little bit hairy, I think, is down here on number 12. Number 12, when you multiply this out, you're going to have 8K. Here's my 3K. But I know everybody wants to say KK, okay? Did you get that one? KK, okay? But K times K, another way of writing K times K is K squared. And if you look down there, you'll see K squared is down on your answers for this side. All right, let's take a look at another one that gets a little bit hairy here. Number 20. All right, so I'm going to go over here. I'm going to put my arrows in because that really helps me. So x squared, well, to get x squared here, I'm going to have to make this x. So here's my x squared. X times 9, there's my 9x. All right. Same thing here. I got my 5e, but 5 times what is going to give me that 35? Well, 5 times 7 will give me that 35. So you can always check it. I really, really, really think you need to use your arrows on this one here. And of course, you can check your answers down below and see if you can't find them. I don't think you're going to have a problem with this one. Let's take a look at go back to the first two problems, which are the hard ones. This is an interesting way of looking at area. Usually when we want to get area, we would just say that, like, let's just say that this is 10. We just multiply 4 times 10 and we would have the area. But here what they did was they divided the area up into an x and a y. So really, I could either take 4 times x plus y, or I could take 4x plus 4y. So given that new knowledge, let's see if we can see if these make sense. Here is the 4 times x plus y. Yes, this would work. 4 times x plus y, that would give me the area. Here is 4 times x. 4x plus 4y, that would work. But 4 plus x times y, That one's not going to work. And if you read the answers, what they're asking you up here for is which answer does not work. So number 1 is just T. All right, take a look at this one here. Same thing. I could take 4 times A, or I could take A times B. Here's A times B. I could take A times 7. There's 7A. So this one's a good answer. I could take A times B plus 7. This one's a good answer. But I can't do AB plus 7. This one wouldn't work. So for number 2, it's H. So you've already got the first letters of the first couple of words of the puzzle. You've got the one. All right. And it's what is the world's longest punctuation mark? This one's actually not bad. It's only completely lame. It's not totally completely lame. Wait, what is it? That doesn't make sense. All right.